as you can see from my title, I started bow hunting, and I started last year, but I didn't have any luck last year because I started late in the season. Plus, that was my first year bow hunting, and I did not get anything last year. I saw one little 8-pointer. I shot and I missed. So I think I have to admit I didn't practice enough with my bow. That's why I missed. Plus, that was my first deer I ever saw in the woods. So I missed that one. But this year, I started early, right at opening season. So the second week of opening season, I went out to my same spot that I had last year. And last year, I created a mock scrape for that spot because I knew that they were coming through there. There was 2 tracks in front of me, 1 behind me. So this year I started sitting on my tree watching that mock scrape to see if any deer would come by that mock scrape. I got there around 3:30, and I got on my tree, sat, waited for about 3 hours, and I did not see any deer. I saw a bunch of squirrels, a bunch of birds, chipmunks, but no deer. And then I was kind of bummed out. So I said, Lord, just bring me one deer, any deer. So I prayed and nothing. So at 6:55, I hear some rustle behind me. And remember, my tree was facing forward to the mock scrape. So I heard some noise behind me. I turned around and looked. It was a doe. I peeked at her, looked at her. She walked by, and then I turned around this way, and I drew my bow, and I said, you know what? If she comes by behind me, I was gonna have the bow ready. So when she passes the tree where I was up on, and then I was gonna shoot. And so she passed the tree, she walked by. I aimed, I shot, and I missed again. And then she jumped and she ran like 20 yards away. She stopped. I said, did she die or did she just stop? She stopped and she started walking back toward me again. I said, oh my goodness, she's coming back. So I grabbed another arrow, put it on my bow, have it set, and when she came back, the first time she was probably about 10 yards away when I shot and I missed because I was too excited. This time my heart was pounding. I didn't know what to do because I said, man, I don't want to miss this opportunity. And so she came back, and she came back about 20 yards away. So I said, you know what, I got to shoot this one. So I pulled my bow, I had it set and ready. And as she walked back, I said, you know, this is the opportunity right here. My heart was pounding. I was shaking. My first time ever actually shooting a deer that is a potential kill. And so I waited and waited. She came between some trees, and I said, you know what, I got to shoot now. And I shot her. She made some noise, ran. She ran for about 80 yards, and then she fell. I was shaking. My heart was pounding. Oh man, that feeling was so good. But you know what? I failed the first shot. I have to admit, I was too hyped up, too pumped. I wasn't focusing. I think I didn't even look through a peephole to the target. I just shot and I missed. Here's my arrow. I shot her, missed. I got her. She broke it. So the arrow's in her right now. Here's some blood right here. Yep. There's some blood right here. She ran this way, blood right here. Blood right here. Blood right here. Blood right here. She ran this way. Blood right here. Blood there. Hey. Yeah, I got a doe. No, I'm tracking the blood. The blood ended here. Oh, yeah, I see the blood. I'm following the blood right now. I shot at 6:55, so it's about 30 minutes ago. I found the last blood over here. So let's see where she crashed. And I called my nephew, and he called the other nephew, and my brother-in-law came, and they said, yeah, hey, just wait in the truck. We'll come and we'll go look for it. So I left around 7:30 in the woods to go to my truck. I waited for them. They got there. We went back around 9 o'clock. So that gave her enough time to expire. There's three of us. We could actually split from where the blood ended and found where the next drip of blood was. And we found her. And after that, that was my first time gutting a deer too. And I didn't know how to do it. So I hope I did not fail. The butcher would know if I failed or not, because I took it to the butcher the following day. But that was my first experience, and you know, it was exhilarating, fun, adrenaline pumping, and it's such an exciting feeling that I'm gonna do it again. Yes. So my next target will be a little buck. He's about 2.5 years old. He has a smaller rack, but it's still an 8-pointer. And the reason why I call him V8 is because he's a smaller deer with a V shaping, and it's an 8-pointer. I saw him on the trail cam a couple times. When I first saw him, he was a little bit smaller, but a month later after he shed, he got a little bit bigger, and I think it's the same buck. But hopefully, my next video or a couple of videos down the road, I will get you to that V8. I have 3 doe tags and 1 buck tag. Get my doe tags done so I could be ready for the buck tag, because if the buck comes in, you know, my heart's gonna be pumping even more. So I'll be ready for that. So wish me luck. I want to thank the people that helped me to get this doe, is because of my other nephew Anthony teaching me and showing me how to shoot and how to aim, how to sight my bow in, and also my nephew Nathan and my brother-in-law Pastor Eric, that came out and helped me find the deer. And most of all, I want to thank God, because I was praying and I said, Lord, I'm gonna leave at 7 o'clock. Can you please bring me a deer before I leave? So this is at 6:55, this doe started walking behind me, and I thought it was a squirrel, but no, it was her. And thank God, and I want to thank the Lord, and thank all my friends and family and my friends who gave me tips on how to do bow hunting. It was exciting, and thank all of you guys. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe, share it, hit the like button, and comment what was your first experience bow hunting. I mean, mine was exciting. So let me know in the comment below how your first kill was. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing, and you know, share with your friends, because this is my first time deer hunting, and I'm sure that there's gonna be more to come. So have a good day, and God bless. first bite of my first deer of the year. First deer ever. There it is. This is the steak. Dipped in some pepper. Mmm. 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 Look at that. Perfect grilled. Medium to perfect. Add some pepper, some hot pepper.